Hey my pretties, welcome back. I just walked inside of the Dollar Tree and look at these. Space robot, press button to activate lights and sound. You have this cute little dog. Let's see, well it has a tab in it so I can't pull that out. I might get one just to try it out at home, but they have the robot like this. They have a gray dog and a blue one. They have a few over there too. Those are kind of cool. I've never seen those. They do have a bunch of these squishies that I keep seeing. And some other little toys right here. But I'm definitely going to pick up 2 of those. Okay, this location actually put out some of their movies that we kind of already looked at. But at least they put them out like this and not up on them shelves. So I won't go through all of these, but just kind of looking to see what they have. Hanky Panky. I love comedy. Okay, so this is their movie station. They also put out their popcorn right next to it. More movies over there, down there, and then some candy. There's some more of the Crayola dough in different colors. They have some cute coloring books right now. They called Kick Back and Color Christmas. So you have different ones. This one is cute. And it comes with a free music download. Oh, here's a few new pictures. God Goes Grind. These little like shadow boxes. Look at this one. Happiness is homemade. That's cute. Life begins after coffee. And thinking of a master plan. Okay, so in my last video I showed you guys the Rachael Ray Nutrish. This one, the chicken and shrimp, and then they also had the paw licking chicken and liver. They have this one as well. Perfect entrees, grain free. So more Rachael Ray cat food. Oh, and look at this display by Sophie. Look at that, you have hair jewelry. Okay, that's cool, Dollar Tree. I think in the last video I showed you guys I found jewelry, like necklaces and earrings and stuff. These are gold, that's silver. You have these little hair rings that you can put on your braids or whatever. Look at these. That is really cute. I think I'm gonna get these right now because I'm actually wearing braids in my hair at this moment. I think those are cute. You have these butterflies. Those are 2 different kinds. Look at that. Those rings. You have the traditional little cuffs. Look at this. They got all different ones. There's some hair elastic bands. Pretty thick too. That's black and these are brown. Ponytail hooks. A turban head wrap right here. It looks kind of small, but and then you have some bead, wooden beads, and some more head wraps down here. Here's some new shampoo and conditioner in one, so 2 in 1. Silkience hair care shampoo and conditioner with provitamin B5, aloe vera, and soy protein. And this is a big bottle, 32 fluid ounces. And right here you have some Brush Buddies herbal toothpaste infused with activated charcoal. It says paraben free, fluoride free, dye free, helps whiten teeth. It's 3.5 ounces. That's pretty cool. No animal testing, no fluoride. No microbeads. I think I'm gonna get probably one of these. Okay, over in this section where they put all like the real cutesy stuff, there's more of the ugly Christmas sweater collection that I just recently showed you. Some cute little unicorn pins, and they're squishy, different colors. Let's see, the sushi keychains, the flamingo tape. There's a novelty pin that I recently showed you. Never give up. La 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 fa. Okay, that one. A fortune pin. Oh, so when you push the button, it says something different. Probably every time it goes around. Live, laugh, love, let it go. Makeup brush cleaners. What is this? A Stress Man phone stand. My hair cleans your screen. My eyes pop out when you squeeze me. And my feet hold your phone. Okay, so he does all kind of stuff. Eyes pop out. Sit him on the desk and let him hold your phone. Or he can clean your screen with his hair. How crazy and cool is that? Okay, so then there's more of the hand cream. Those cute little hand creams. Lip gloss. Coin purses. More stationery. There's those gummy treats. Lots of stuff over here. Little cosmetic bags. This stationery set up here. The pineapple set. The cute little penguins. And I think that's it for over here. You got letter journals. Oh look, I don't think I've seen this one. It's a bath bomb, but it's shaped like a cactus. That's cute. Oh my goodness, they have Jojo Siwa band-aids. I keep telling you guys, I see her on everything and in every store. Barbie. SpongeBob, right there, the LOL. Ugly Dolls and Transformers. Oh, they've added some more Mr. Brownie. Here's the chocolate brownie ones, but look at this one. It has galactic brownie bites, so it has candy in it. Chocolate candy, so probably something like M&M's. Right here they have some inspirational quotes calendars. Includes fold out stand for 2020. That's kind of cool. Looks like they have different ones. You have that one. This one you can advance coloring. You can color this one. And here's actually a word search one. That's cool. And then over here in the toy section, they have more of these squishies. I mean, they're just everywhere. So I see that. Here's some birds. Some of the food. And then look at these. Is this like an elf? I'm not too sure, but it's a little person. Or you can get her or him or her. I think it's a her. That's a queen crown, I believe. I don't know, but these are cute. I think there's one more. Look at that. Little Red Riding Hood as a squishy. Right next to that, you have some more of these like unicorns, the pastel color ones. And there's also some more of these squishies that they brought back. The little fruit, the watermelon, the orange, and the lime. Let's see, over here by the books, the best cat book ever. Super amazing, 100% awesome. Kate Funk with AC the cat. Oh goodness. Looking like Back to the Future. Dan and Phil go outside. Let's see. Dressing rooms. Okay. Not sure what that's about. It's lonely in the modern world. And let's see. For the record. The final world. The body market. What is that? The sequel to Unplugged. That looks interesting, but it sounds creepy at the same time. Okay, you guys, so that is it today in Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Okay, bye.